Think you've got your property development budget all figured out? Think again. Hidden costs can derail even the best laid out plans. And today, we're uncovering the expenses you may not see coming. Stick around. This could save your next project from unexpected financial headaches. Hi, I'm PK and welcome to our channel, where we break down property and development strategies into actionable insights. If you're new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the tips that could transform your property investments. When planning a property development project, most people focus on the obvious costs: land acquisition, construction, financing, but beneath the surface, there are numerous hidden costs that can, if not accounted for, can seriously impact your budget and your bottom line. Let's break down the most common hidden costs that you need to be aware of. One of the most overlooked hidden costs in property development is site preparation. You might assume that your plot of land is ready for construction, but hidden issues like contaminated soil, unexpected rock formations, or poor drainage can add thousands to your budget. Where possible, conduct thorough site surveys and soil tests before purchasing the land and budget for possible surprises. Acknowledging that this can't always happen before purchasing the land, as it does incur costs. So you need to make sure that you have got an option on the property or you have got a cooling off period on the property before getting these works done. Navigating the legal landscape of property development can be a minefield of hidden costs. Permit fees, application fees, and other regulatory costs can quickly add up. Additionally, if your project encounters objections from local councils or community groups, you may face delays and legal fees that can further strain your budget. Always factor in a buffer for these costs and consult with a property lawyer early in the process if required. What's the biggest hidden cost you've encountered in a property development project? Drop a comment below. Love to hear your experiences and discuss them in a future video. Utility connection fees are another hidden cost that can catch developers off guard. Connecting water, electricity, gas, and sewerage to your new development isn't always straightforward. In some cases, you may need to pay for infrastructure upgrades, such as extending power lines or adding new sewer connections. These costs can be significant, particularly in rural or undeveloped areas. Before you dive into more hidden costs, let me introduce you to a resource that can help you navigate these challenges more effectively. Connect with fellow property developers in the Little Fish Network, our free online community. Learn from experts, share insights, and get the support you need to thrive. Head to littlefishnetwork.com or scan the QR code here on the screen. Now, let's get back to it. Financing costs are often seen as straightforward, but interest rate fluctuations can have a significant impact on your budget. If you're using a variable rate loan, unexpected increases in interest rates can lead to higher monthly payments and increased overall costs. Additionally, if your projects experience delays, the extended loan period could result in more interest payments than initially planned. It's crucial to factor in potential interest rate rises and have contingency plans in place. Even with the best planning, construction cost overruns are common in property development. Material price increases, labor shortages, or unexpected design changes can all lead to higher costs. It's essential to include a contingency budget of at least 10 to 15% of your total construction costs to these overruns. Regularly reviewing your budget and maintaining open communication with your contractor can also help mitigate these risks. Once your development is complete, the costs don't stop there. Marketing and sales expenses are often underestimated, from staging properties to professional photography, advertising, and agent fees. These costs can quickly add up. It's important to have a marketing budget in place from the outset to consider the time it may take to sell the property. Holding costs such as property taxes and maintenance can also add up if the sale takes longer than expected. So, what should you do next? Start by conducting a comprehensive cost analysis that includes potential hidden expenses. Consult with professionals, including property lawyers, surveyors, financial advisors, to ensure you've covered all bases. And don't forget to include a contingency fund in your budget to handle any surprises. Hidden costs can be the difference between a profitable project and a financial disaster. If this video has helped you identify potential pitfalls, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. And as always, if you have any questions or need further insights, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. And if you're ready to take your property development projects to the next level, check out our detailed guides linked in the description below. Happy developing!